People always ask, what are the core principles and benefits of the family banking, family financing space? One of the most important principles is the concept of at interest. And this is a tougher personal financial concept to get your arms around. Basically, it means that everything is operating at interest. You are financing things no matter what you're doing. You are either paying interest to a bank, you're paying interest to an insurance company, or you are passing up the interest that you could have earned in the account where the money was stored. So there's really no such thing as paying cash. You're taking it from a place where the money was stored that in theory was earning interest. I realize we're in a low interest rate environment right now. Nevertheless, one of the core principles is at interest. Now, I think a second core principle is control. And human beings like to control things. And so often we feel like the banks and the credit unions are controlling our lives. When you use the family financing space, you have much more control over what you're doing with the money that's stored typically in a mutual life insurance company inside a whole life insurance policy. You're borrowing against that policy. You are paying the insurance company interest, but you're controlling the pace of that. And that control benefit and value is so, so important. And then there's also the discipline. You know, us human beings need a little help in the discipline space. So this is actually a benefit. I really want you to understand that last part because mental discipline is something that is valuable to us as human beings. We may not always like it, but holy cow, when I look back over my life, because I had to pay those premiums and I had to pay those loans back, I got good results because of it. So I really want you to get a gift of an open mind that then lets information like this walk through and impact your brain, which then impacts your actions, which will absolutely impact you and your family.